Hi everyone, this is Sumit from Tulip Light Kit, and I'm here to walk you through a new Step Advanced with Brake Beam Sensor application. The Step Advanced with Brake Beam Sensor application essentially displays a use case of how you can use a brake beam sensor to trigger app logic and to advance between different steps. This application essentially provides us an example of using a pen case and a pen cap by building a pen, and how we actually advance the application to different work instructions once we pick up the correct pen parts. What we're going to see is that we have a light kit with two brake beam sensors for two different bins, with a pen case in one bin and a pen cap in the other. And as we go through the app and pick up the parts in the correct order from the correct bin, the app auto advances to the work instructions page. So now we're going to jump into the application, and in the first step it's going to ask us whether we have a light kit connected or no for this application. And since we do have a light kit connected, we're going to select yes. And what's going to happen is then our first bin, which contains a pen case, is going to light up with a green light, and we are going to be indicated to select from the bin. When I put my hand in to pick up the pen, it will automatically advance the next step and tell me to select the pen cap. And if I try picking it up from the wrong bin, the bin will light up red and indicate to me to pick up from the other bin. So once I pick up the pen cap, it will then move me to the final step, which is an assembly instruction step, and essentially walks us through how to assemble the pen cap. And once we are done assembling the pen cap, we have the option to click complete and complete the app. This is essentially how our brake beam step advance application works, and we are essentially using logic alongside motions detected by brake beam sensors to actually work through an application and walk through an entire process of building a pen without having to actually click any buttons or without even having to do anything to indicate if there are any errors being processed, as all of this is being handled by the logic built into the app and the brake beam sensors. Thanks for watching along, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support.tulip.co.